To open the hood in Toyota Camry, you have to locate the hood release lever, which is located underneath the steering wheel on the left. Pull it towards yourself. Now you have to locate the auxiliary release lever, which is located approximately in the middle. You have to pull it like this and then lift the hood up. Now we have to use this rod to secure the hood in place. Don't use this opening, guys. This is the opening that you have to use. It goes inside, and now our hood is secure in place. And again, this is our auxiliary hood release lever. All I did is lifted it up like this to open the hood. To close the hood, first we have to lift it slightly until the rod comes out, then pull it out, guys, and put it back in place. Now I will lower the hood. It will snap like this, but then you have to use both hands to push the hood all the way, and now it's properly closed. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. We'll see you in the next one.